Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the icon called, or option called Alarm, right here, and tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here we can set up the alarm clocks by tapping on the plus button. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and we can set the hours by swiping up and down on the screen, then minutes. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. This will bring you to the edit page, and here we can turn on or turn off the alarm by tapping on the switch. We can change the time again if you want to. We can tap on repeat option and choose on what days the alarm should repeat basically. So if you tap on repeat, it will open this menu, and here we have only once. If this option is selected, the alarm will go off only once and then it will turn off. Every day, it will go off every day. Custom, and if you tap on custom, you can select specific days. So for example, we can select every Monday, every Wednesday, and maybe every Friday, like that. And then you can go back. And as you can see, it will go off on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And once you're done, you can go back. And below repeat option, we have smart alarm, and you can tap on it and turn it on or off. Basically what it does, it will calculate the optimal time to wake you up within 30 minutes of your alarm, basically. So it will try to wake you up as most efficient as possible, I would say. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on the check mark right here at the bottom to confirm and create the alarm. And now we can turn it off, turn it on. We can add another one if we want to, like that. You can also edit the alarms by tapping on them and edit the values. And you can also remove the alarm by tapping on the X right here. So if you scroll down, tap on the X instead of the check mark, it's gonna remove the alarm, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.